Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Brighten your reporting using Excel symbols. Here up in the ribbon, you scroll down to Insert, go to Symbol. Here's my recommendation when dealing with symbols. This box is usually this size. My suggestion is to make it as big as you can. And all you do is grab, you see the arrows, the left and right arrow. Just extend this thing as far as you can, every direction. Patience. You know my attitude about this particular subject. What we're looking for are up and down arrows. What we're going to do, we have prior month sales. In here on the right, we have 30, 40, 25, 10, 55, 12. And I'm not going to go into details as to what the sales represent. The point here is we have up and we have down. What we want to do is insert up if the number is positive, down if it's negative. And we can do that by using customized format. The challenge is trying to find the up arrow and the down arrow. I can never remember where the information is. I uploaded both. I have this recently used symbol, and it shows down here at the bottom of the page. Here's the way to try to find information. You can try to narrow it down. Up here on the right, you have subset. I don't even know where to start here. So I just give up typically and just scroll down. You can hit mathematical operators, but really is an up arrow and down arrow? Well, we're lucky because here we have an up arrow and we have a down arrow and a right arrow and a left arrow. We're good to go. All you do is click it, hit insert. Wherever that active cell is where the arrows go. Go to symbol and we'll hit this up, insert. We have a down, insert. If I have a pair, that's fine. It's closed. And if I want to get rid of one or the other or both, just hit backspace. We're good to go. How do we change this? A couple of things. I just have this example here on the right, prior month sales. Well, it's a duplicate. But I want to change this to percentage. Just highlight it, go up to general number, percent, hit percent, and there you go. We want to format this. There's two ways we can do it. We can copy or we can derive at a possible solution. We go, well, we have an up arrow. Well, I want to customize this. So I have an up arrow and I have a percentage. So I could put a 0 here, a percent sign, and I have a semicolon to close it. Do the same thing on the down arrow, put a 0 in percent. Just hit enter. You don't need to put a semicolon on the end. Just copy, Control C, hit escape, highlight this range, right click, go to format cells, custom in the type, highlight it, Control V, and hit OK. And there you go. If you want space there, you put a space in between. This is cosmetic only. If you have this in multiple arrangements, I'll show you. Hit Control 1, custom, go to the bottom. That's usually where the new custom formats are. Hit OK, and we have the same thing. If you delete this, go to Control 1 and delete it. You delete everything. Keep that in mind. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thank you.